Mr. Chair, I believe we have our partner here at the Bureau of Customs. Maybe we can request for that data, no? Para po malaman namin kung paano yung shipment na ano, kasi I'm sure you also have a data with kung ano yung local consignee, yung shipment, place of origin, yung shipment nitong kumpanya na to, at saka yung mga consignees na nag-claim ng ownership, no? Doon sa mga shipment na to. Maybe we can, that can help us probably, Mr. Chair.
So, Attorney
yes.
Buko, can you provide the
yes.
committee data on Hongfei, no? Hongfei ba yan?
Yeah.
Hongfei, yung
Okay.
Mr. Richard Chen.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, yung owner ng Hongfei is Mr. Richard Chen, or ang Chinese name niya is Chen Julong. Tama, no?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay.
So, I'm sure he has a lot of importations in the past, o baka hanggang ngayon meron pa yan. So, pakibigyan ng datos ang committee ito.
Gusto nating tulungan. Yes, please.
Yes, Mr. Chair. We will provide the...
Sige, maraming salamat.
Because we want to help out also customs on how to surveillance and protect our borders from the entry of these contrabands. No, we want to help them out because what I see, Mr. Chair, based on the testimony of Mark Taguba, we're dealing with transnational crimes.
Yes.
Yung drugs, transnational to. Hindi lang ho ito nagkukuha lang sila ng mga partners nila dito sa Pilipinas para lang maipasok yung kanilang shipment. We're talking about how many tons of shabu, 'di ba? It's so shocking to me, Mr. Chair, and it's mind-boggling because the time that 6.7 tons of shabu was smuggled in the country during the time when the Philippines was declared a war against drugs. So parang napaka-ironic kung kailan pinapatay yung mga tao sa daan, tsaka pumasok yung ang laking tonelada ng shabu. So we are looking at transnational crimes here, Mr. Chair. So we want to help out also Customs, our partner agency, in
Okay.
Customs. For my last, I think last two questions lang po, Mr. Chair.
Sige, last two questions.